Hello everyone, my name is Sudarshan. I am from NewZen InfoTech and my trainer is Surendra. Today we are going to discuss the topic about methods. So, what is a method? Methods are used to perform certain tasks or actions. So, in a class we can define n number of methods and a user or a programmer needed to invoke or call the method, and it is a part of the functional members. So the syntax for methods is access modifier, modifier, and return type and method name, which has with parameter and without parameter. So access modifiers are public, private, protected, and default. And modifiers are static, final, synchronized, and abstract. And what are these return type? These are void, primitive data type, non-primitive data type. And these methods are categorized into two types: predefined and user defined. And these predefined are categorized into two types, which is predefined with arguments and another one is predefined without arguments. And user defined are also categorized into two types, which is user defined with arguments and user defined without arguments. And these are the things which we are discussed in method.